Hi, Kwezi. You have 15 words that you need to prepare for your spelling this week. I'll start by reading them. The word is am. I am reading your spelling words right now. I am reading your spelling words right now. Number 2, an. I eat an apple every day. I eat an apple. We are going to school tomorrow. Are. We are going to school tomorrow. And. You and I are going to school tomorrow. And. Chop. You must chop your vegetables before you cook them. Chop. Chips. You cannot eat chips every day because chips are unhealthy food. Chat. You are not allowed to chat to your friend while the teacher is speaking. Chat. Chin. The chin is the part of your face that is below your mouth. Chin. This is my chin. Chin. This is a chin. Child. You are a child. You are your mom and dad's child. Number 10, check. You must check that you have packed all your stationery into your bag when you are done working. Check. You must check if you have packed all your stationery away. Check. Chick. A chick is a baby chicken. Chick. Much. If you eat too much, you might just gain some weight. Do not eat too much. Chart. You will remember that at the beginning of our book, we have a chart. This is a chart. This is your sound chart. Chart. I wonder what mommy is going to pack for lunch tomorrow. Lunch. And then your last word is watch. It is not good to watch too much TV. Okay? You will notice the sound that is predominant or the sound that appears a lot in your spelling list this week is ch. So a C and an H together, when they make one sound together, and you can see C and H makes one sound in all of your words because the line tells you that you will be hearing one sound for the C and the H together. So this sound is ch. This sound is ch. Ch. So CH sounds like ch. But you will notice that in your last word, watch, the T, the C, and the H have a line together, which means they are making one sound together. And the sound that they make also sounds like ch. But the ch sound in watch is created by 3 letters together. T, C, and H also sound like ch. But you must remember, in all your spelling words for this week, there is only one sound with the TCH ch, and that is watch. For all your other words, when you hear the ch sound, the spelling is ch. Ch, 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 ch. But the last word, watch, the ch sound is created by tch. Ch. Okay? So now we're going to go through the sounds and the spelling of each word. Am. The sounds in the word am are a, m. Together, am, am. I am so tired right now. The sounds are a, m, am. How do we spell the word am? A, M. Am. The sounds in am are am, but the spelling is am, 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 am. Word number 2. Sounds are an, an, an. I eat an apple. How do we spell the word an? A, N, an, A-N, an, A-N, an, A-N, an. Word number 3 is R, and the sounds are R, because the E is silent. R. You will hear this sound created by A and R together, R. You will hear R in words like car, star, bar, far. The R sound in all of those words looks like this, A-R, R. So the sounds in this word are R. But how do we spell the word R? A-R-E, R, A-R-E, R, A-R-E, R, A-R-E, R. You and I are going to school tomorrow. Number 4, and, and. You and I are going to school tomorrow. And, and. How do we spell the word and? A-N-D, and, A-N-D, and, A-N-D, and, A-N-D, and, A-N-D, and. Number 5, the sounds are ch, o, p, chop, ch, o, p, chop. How do we spell chop? C-H-O-P, chop, C-H-O-P, chop, C-H-O-P, chop, C-H-O-P, chop, C-H-O-P, chop. Number 6, ch-I-p-s, chips, ch-I-p-s, chips. How do we spell chips? C-H-I-P-S, chips, C-H-I-P-S, chips, C-H-I-P-S, chips, C-H-I-P-S, chips. Ch-a-t, chat, ch-a-t, chat. How do we spell chat? C-H-A-T, chat, C-H-A-T, chat, C-H-A-T, chat, C-H-A-T, chat, C-H-A-T, chat. The next word is ch-in, chin, ch-in, chin. And we will spell the word chin in the next video because we're out of time.